Digital is known for helping thousands of companies improve the way they work. What are some of the challenges that you've seen in making data actionable for your clients?
In the marketing space, it's all about customer experiences right now. So everyone is really trying to deliver the best experience, the most seamless experience, right? Marketing has really grown from like point to point to now omni-channel delivery. We as customers expect that. We expect that every interaction that we have is seamless no matter what channel or with any brand. And so at Deloitte, we have kind of these three principles, right, that are really important for marketing to have. One is to own their data. Marketing needs to own their data, and marketing has never really been in a position to own their data because either IT or someone else has owned that data, right? The second piece is own the decisioning. So this is really around insights and analytics. The apps that within that ecosystem that really help them get those customer insights so that they can create better marketing strategies to really enable that next best action, next best offer, and create the right customer journey and experience design. That is going to go into the last piece, which is owning the delivery, which is all of the different execution channels. You know, this sounds really simple. Own your data, own your decisioning, own your delivery. But in most companies, all of those elements actually sit in siloed organizations.
Organizations are now exploring the development of data apps. Can you share some of the impact you've seen from them?
I've seen data apps deliver value in a couple ways. I think first is integrating and harmonizing data to create that single source of truth. And the second piece is around being able to orchestrate omni-channel personalization, and then to be able to deliver next best action and next best offer.
Tell me about your partnership with TIAA.
So Deloitte was chosen as a strategic partner for TIAA last year, where they were undergoing some major changes from an organization perspective. So there are three main businesses in TIAA. There's Naveen, there's the bank, and then there's TIAA itself. And so last year they decided that they were going to consolidate the three lines of business into one enterprise marketing organization.
Wow.
So they chose us as their marketing transformation partner to really help them think through the organization, the operating model and the design of that, and then also help think through the capabilities and from a technology perspective that they need, and which also meant supporting the rationalization of different MarTech systems and really kind of helping them through the ambition that they wanted, which is also personalized customer experiences and being able to do that delivery. So there's a lot of change that has been going on at TIAA, I would say, for the last year and a half, 2 years. And so we've been a great partner with them and been really walking lockstep with them into this great transformational journey.
Enrique, I just chatted with Christine, and she told me about the transformation that TIAA is leading. You've got a long history with Domo. How did you democratize data within your organization?
It all starts in the asset management business. So I joined in 2017 with the goal of really building the first marketing analytics practice. The first thing is to really understand and help folks be less scared of what analytics are. You know, they empower you. And I think that was the first thing about demystifying the complexity of what, you know, most folks think data means, which is less so about the accountability and more so about the empowerment.
Tell me a little bit about how data apps have delivered impact for TIAA.
It is about ease of access, being able to hook things up in a way that, you know, historically would take a lot more effort. You know, what Domo helped us do in that part of the business is really fast track that whole process. So we were able to pull data in a meaningful way done through the apps and visualize it in a very quick manner. That became more of the foundation of some of that change management that went from data ingestion to data transformation to data visualization. Domo really helped us jumpstart that ability to make almost a pseudo marketing data warehouse, that we were able to port data out of Domo after it had been brought in through the applications. And in many cases, those data sets became the standard for what exists today in our core repositories and architecture.
Christine, Enrique, it's great to have you both together. I've always heard that great transformations are driven by great partnerships. Enrique, can you share with us some of the key ingredients to your partnership?
I think it's about understanding three core things, and that's expertise, goals, trust. Within those three, in many cases, you need that objective, independent, and best-in-class expertise to move you into the goal area of what you're looking to achieve within your organization. That can only be done through a trusting partnership and helping us mature in a way that is not just fishing for us, but teaching us how to fish.
Great. Christine, how do you operationalize that change?
I think there are three things. The one is acknowledging that you need help. The second is being open to the expertise. And a third, I think most important one, is being absolutely transparent about the transformation and changes that are going to happen in your organization.
Enrique, Christine, any final thoughts?
Understanding the problem and thinking through the use cases that are relevant for you and your customers that get you to that end solution.
I have three things. I think the first one is, again, going back to what Enrique said, is really spending the time to understand those use cases. A lot of companies don't take the time to do the use cases, and I think it's important because that sets the business goals and objectives. The second piece is around process first, technology second. And last but not least is really, again, embracing the fact that this is about change, this is about new ways of working, and being transparent about that change throughout the organization.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.